Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you an install that I did for one of my customers. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to try to walk you through like everything that I'm doing, so bear with me because I really do not like voiceovers, but I try my best to give you guys what you want. So I hope you enjoy and stay tuned. So right here, you guys, I am just measuring her ear to ear space so I can know where to cut the lace at. And I'm gonna just look at the placement on where I should cut it, where everything should be nice and neat. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing right here. Okay, right here I am putting some foundation onto the ball cap, which is the stocking cap method, and I'm also going to be applying it to the wig. Even though I bleached the knots, you still want to go ahead and get the foundation of your client's skin tone, and you also want to get some lace tint if you can, because that really works and it helps to kind of blend in and make it realistic, and so to speak. So yeah. So now that I have cut the lace and I have added my foundation on, I have tinted the lace, I've measured her head and everything, correctly, it's time to apply the glue. And the glue that I use is from Erica J product line, and I've been using this glue since about early this year, and I honestly could say that I really like it, and I'm probably going to be using this glue more so often. So yeah, if you want to check her page out, make sure you go to her Instagram, and you can follow her link in her bio, which is to her website for purchasing. So yeah. So now I'm just going to blow dry the first coat of glue, which you're supposed to do 2 or 3. I usually do like 2, maybe 3, but at the most I will say I've done 2 coats, and you let it just dry clear, and then you go ahead and apply your second coat, and you can kind of let it air dry, or you can turn your blow dryer on a warm setting and go ahead and blow dry it to get it clear. Oh my god, I did not know that she did this. That was too cute. And like I said, I am still applying the second coat of glue, which I'm gonna let turn clear, and I'm gonna blow dry it, of course, until it turns clear. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here, you all. Nothing new, nothing major, same technique, same rodeo, or whatever. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Y'all get it. Okay, now that I have my glue you know, melt it into the skin, dry it clear. I'm about to go ahead and just do my placement as far as like eyeing it and seeing where I should go ahead and melt the lace into her skin. So I'm just making sure I place it in the right place. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I hope y'all get what I hope y'all understand by just watching and looking, and make sure you guys are learning just in case you have to do this at home for yourself. Okay? Okay, so right here, I know y'all see that melted look, honey. I'm not even done yet. Don't y'all see that? Do you? I'm getting skin vibes. We're getting skin vibes, no lace vibes. But anyway, enough of that. So right here, I'm just showing y'all how it looked, or whatever. Then I'm also going to take the elastic band and lay it right above the baby hairs slash in between the lace and the hair. I don't know how I'm really saying this. I hope y'all see it and understand what I'm trying to say. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. But anyway, yeah, I'm about to get this thing melted in. That's what helps. I learned that from Erica J. The elastic band you can get from the fabric store, that helps to lay that lace in and get it all melted and buttery. Yeah, y'all know what I'm saying. Okay, right here I am using my hot comb and my wax stick to get the hair flat. You want to either use a wand if you don't have a hot comb, but I'm telling y'all, the hot comb, get you one, because the finished look, that's definitely what helps with everything, is that hot comb. So if you can get you one, girl, go get you one. All right. Okay, ladies, so after this, my camera did die, unfortunately, so I did have to record on my cell phone. I hope you guys understand, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video on me installing this wig. That wig is actually not from my wig line. She purchased it somewhere else, but as you know, you guys can shop my website, which is www.exoticwigsbyjsl.com. I will leave it in the description below. Thank you, and see you guys in the next video. You sound so this crazy. Look, yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm looking different.
Yes, honey.
Wow. That's crazy.